Very warm welcome on the platform of INCS Academy. We are discussing the rapid fire series of 25,000 plus questions which has been asked in the UPPSC examinations. We have already discussed some sections and a playlist has been made on the channel. If you have not watched the video, then you can go and check the playlist. In this section, we are going to discuss science and technology. Let's start the video. First chapter is space technology. Cosmos 2406 is a defense satellite. EOS-01 is an Earth observation satellite. Is not intended for application in artificial range. Name the China's lunar mission that was launched in November 2020 to collect the samples from the moon's surface. That is Chang'e 5 mission. The following launching vehicles was used in Chandrayaan 2 mission, that is GSLV Mach 3. Which geosynchronous satellite launch vehicle was used by ISRO to launch Chandrayaan 2 spacecraft? That is GSLV Mach 3 M1. That is GSLV Mach 3, that is MK3 M1. Black hole is a collapsed star. Which spacecraft of NASA has confirmed the presence of water on the moon? SOFIA. The orbit of a geostationary satellite is elliptical. A satellite moves in its orbit continuously. It is due to the effect of centripetal force, which is derived from gravitational force applied by Earth on satellite. Satellite is kept moving in its orbit around the Earth. It is due to centripetal force. The source of electrical energy in an artificial satellite is solar cells. A ball thrown from a satellite revolving around the Earth will revolve around the Earth with the same time period as satellite. An astronaut cannot hear his companion at the surface of moon because there is no medium for sound propagation. Cryogenic engine is used in space shuttle. India is developing cryogenic technology. Which country agency from amongst the following does not possess this technology? That is Brazil. The following has been given the name Kalpana 1, that is METSAT, METSAT. Correct sequence of implementation of 4 Indian space programs is TERLS, SITE, SITE, that is STEP, and Apple. The following is not related to space terminology, that is BITE. For the first time, Hubble Space Telescope has sent the image of surface of distant star. Name of that star is Virgo. When was India's INSAT 1D launched? That is June 12, 1990. First Indian remote sensing satellite was launched from Vancouver. A geostationary satellite has a period of 24 hours. With the cooperation of which one of the following countries, pilotless helicopter is being developed for Indian Navy? That is Israel. NASA US Space Agency has launched a telescope named Kepler to find Earth-like planets. Geostatic position is when the object moves around the Earth with the velocity commensurate with the velocity of Earth such that it maintains a fixed position in relation to the some place on the Earth. During the end of September 2012, India successfully launched its heaviest communication satellite, whose name is GSAT-10, from where ISRO launched its 100th space mission in September 2012, that is Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. In February 2013, what name has been given by NASA to a rock pointed by Curiosity rover on Mars, that is John Klein. The following is not a space satellite, SLV-3. INSAT 3C was launched from Kourou. The first satellite of India sent to space was Aryabhat. Gagan system, launched in July 2015, would facilitate faster service for civil aviation. In August 2016, China has developed a system called MISIUS, which is quantum-enabled communication satellite. Now move on to the next chapter, that is defense technology. India's first indigenous anti-radiation missile that was successfully flight tested on 9th October 2020 by DRDO is Rudram First. An artificial satellite can be tracked very precisely from the Earth by using Doppler effect. On 18th October 2020, India successfully test-fired missiles BrahMos supersonic cruise missile novel version. Radar is used for locating objects by radio waves. With which country India has signed an agreement for the joint production of latest submarine Scorpene in India? France. The name of Indian naval ship which was built for Indian Navy and successfully launched in September 1995 is Prahar. Name of the tank which was made in India, that is Arjun. The following is an indigenously built light combat aircraft, that is Tejas. The following statements is not correct about Astra missile. It was successfully test-fired on 20th May 2011 from Chandipur. It has the capacity to destroy the enemy plane up to a distance of 90 km. The official code name of Pokhran nuclear test 1974 was Smiling Buddha. The following statements regarding BrahMos is not correct. Its flight range is 400 km. Ecuador was the first country with which India has signed a pact for supply of Dhruv advanced light helicopter, which is second country in the deal, that is Mauritius. The ICBM developed by India with a strike range of more than 2000 km is given the name Agni 2nd. Indra is radar. The name of the air-to-air missile successfully launched from Balasore in May 2003 was Astra. Now move on to the next chapter, that is computer and information technology. Computer Literacy Day is observed on 2nd December. To which port of a computer you connect the cable of your keyboard, that is USB port. The following is known as brain of computer, CPU. The name of the fastest computer of the world made recently by China is Tihane 2. The body of mouse was built around 40 years back with wood. The first computer was made by Charles Babbage. Miniaturization of present-day computer has been possible due to use of integrated circuit chips. The following is the main electronic component of third generation computer, that is integrated circuit. A supercomputer project developed by Bhabha Research Center is Anupam. The following product is being sold as Pentium brand, that is microprocessor. The world's first digital electronic computer is ENIAC. IC chips for computers are usually made of silicon. The latest material used in production of computer chip is gallium arsenide. In computer hardware, which is made up of silicon, can store data in a very large amount. It is called chip. The base of classification of IC is number of transistors. The following laser type is used in laser printer, that is semiconductor laser. Daisy wheel printer is type of impact printer. After double click of mouse, the information goes to CPU. The following is the fastest computer memory, that is cache memory. A kilobyte is equivalent to 1024 byte. The following is not an information technology terminology, that is optical storage. The memory of computer is measured by bits. Length of word in computer is measured in bits. In computer, permanent memory is called ROM. The data of which short-term memory expires automatically after the computer power is switched off, that is RAM. Index hold is related to floppy disk. Basic is which of the following language, that is procedural. The following is self-complementary code, that is binary code. Which program controls the basic functions of the computer, that is operating system. The multiple use of an operating system at a given time is called multitasking. Bluetooth technology allows wireless communication between equipments. The device which converts data into signal and communicates them from terminal to the computer and from computer to the terminal through telephone line is modem. Which system or technique connects microcomputers to telephone, that is modem. The layer between physical layer and network layer is known as data link layer. How many minimum NAND gates are required to get XOR function, that is 4. Set of rules for data communication is called protocols. Full form of WWW is World Wide Web. Y2K problem relates to find out a suitable replacement when the last 2 digits of the year becomes 0. Computer virus is a software program. Meaning of computer virus is malicious program. SkyDrive is the name of cloud computing service of which one of the following companies, that is Microsoft. Email service stands for electronic mail. Computer system which connects and provides information from different countries to the world through satellite is called Internet. The terminology of information technology used to find the address of a user's email is finger. Internet works only on packet switching. The following type of file could be sent through email attachment: audio file, text file, video file. The following is considered as the inventor of World Wide Web, that is Tim Berners-Lee. An oldest Indian online e-commerce platform is IndiaMart. Word document, video or MP3 is type of file. Meaning of ICT is information and communication technology. Generally, IRQ6 is provided to floppy drive controller. A part of infotech terminology is login, protocol, and ARQ. The following is not information technology terminology, that is Pinaka. The smallest and fastest computer imitating brain working would be quantum computer. To safeguard against cyber attacks and threats of data theft, the Center for Development of Advanced Computing has developed a new software called Nayan. Bibliometry is library service. India Climate Change Knowledge Portal was launched in which of the following months? That is November 2020. Move on to the next chapter, that is Genetic Engineering and Biotechnology. The following techniques can be used to establish the paternity of a child, that is DNA fingerprinting. The following is first man-made genetically controlled living animal, Harvan bull. DNA fingerprinting is used in fields only for judicial investigations as technical assistance, only for parental dispute, for the protection of endangered species. Biochip contains RNA, DNA or protein. RNA, DNA or protein. In AIDS virus, there is RNA plus protein. In gene therapy, to correct the function of a faulty gene, whole flawed genes are replaced with correct genes. Asia's first human DNA bank is established at Lucknow. The following is used in genetic engineering, that is plasmid. Genome illustration is related to illustration of genes. The plant field gene bank in Banthara will conserve the endangered plant species, stop the loss of biological diversity, identify economically important plants. Disputed terminated technology supported by developed countries provides advanced varieties of seeds by biotechnology that have been ensured to produce seeds for the second generation. Gene engineering is technology for obtaining early notice of genetic diseases. Codon to start protein synthesis, AUG. The globally programmed Human Genome Project deals with identification and mapping of human genes and gene sequences. The first crime ever solved using the DNA fingerprinting technique was in England in year 1983. Garima II is the name of a cloned buffalo. Injas is the name of the world's first cloned camel. The following was required in the process of biotechnology occurred in ancient time. Bacteria. The following is a transgenic plant, golden rice. First transgenic plant is tobacco. The following cereals is man-made, triticale. The bioethically non-controversial source of stem cells as an alternative to the highly controversial embryonic stem cells is bone marrow-derived stem cells. The cells of the body that have the ability to divide and differentiate into any type of cells of the body and which are the focus of research on many severe diseases are called stem cells. The scientists of which country have grown recently human liver tissue from stem cells for the first time? Japan. The following is associated with genetic engineering, that is plasmid. Laser is a device for producing stimulated radiation. X-rays which enters deep into the material are called hard X-ray. That's it for today. Thanks for watching the video.